Hi everyone! Today we're going to read a story called Apple Countdown. This was written by Joan Holub and illustrated by Jan Smith. This is a fiction story, so it means that it is not real. It's just for fun. So we'll open the cover page. There's the title page. It tells us Apple Countdown by Joan Holub and illustrated by Jan Smith. Turn. Okay. Field trip day. Hooray, says Jose. Oh, he's very excited, jumping up and down. They're going on a field trip. 20 apples with our names, says James. On the apple tree, there's Caroline, Dwight, Mr. Yee, Joe, Kate, Christine, Nick, Claire, Jose, Zach, Sue, Clyde, Lee, Shakir, Ted, Elaine, James, Louise, Ben, and Russ. 20 apples with their names. I see a tag for me, says Lee. Turn. 19 kids get on our bus, says Russ. Oops. So we started with the number 20 for 20 apples. And we're going to count all the way down, counting backwards. 19 kids. I share with Mr. Yee, says Lee. Look, he says, wiggle, wiggle. He must have a loose tooth. Turn. 18. 18 miles till we're there, says Claire. They're going to Applebee Farm. 8 miles, turn, then go 10, says Ben. It's because a lot of rhymes. There and Claire, 10 and Ben. Turn. 17. Name 17 things we might see, says Mr. Yee. There's an apple pie, the sun, a scarecrow, a hay bale, a dog, a bee, an apple, a duck, an apple tree, a barn, a basket, a butterfly, a bird, a farmer, a cow, a rake, and a leaf. An apple tree, calls Lee. Right there. Turn. 16. 16 steps to the gate, says Kate. Hi, Farmer Applebee, says Lee. There's the farmer who grows all of the apples. Turn. 15. 15 cars on the train, says Elaine. 5 yellow, 5 green, and 5 red, says Ted. So they get to take a train around the apple orchard. That would be a cool field trip. Turn. 14. 14 cows, moo, moo, says Sue. That's 12 cows plus 2. 13. 13 ducks, quack, quack, says Zach. 10 white ones and 3 black. Turn. 12. 12 rows of trees, says Louise. And 11 hives for bees. We learned in our nonfiction book called Apples that they put bees in the apple orchard to help pollinate the seeds in the apple tree's flowers. There's Red Delicious apples, Granny Smith apples, Macintosh apples, and Golden Delicious apples. Turn. Yay, it's time to pick, says Nick. He still says wiggle wiggle, his tooth is still loose. They get to pick their own apples. That would be fun. Turn. Easy as 1, 2, 3, says Lee. Says the directions. Number 1, hold apple in your hand, pressing the stem against the apple with your index finger. Step 2, twist upward. Step 3, pull gently. So they have to pick the apples in a special way. Oh, here's our numbers. 10, 9, 8. I picked small ones. My sack will hold 10, says Ben. I picked bigger ones, says Caroline. My sack will hold 9. Mine are the biggest, says Kate. My sack only holds 8. Turn. 7 and 6. My 7 apples are green, says Christine. My 6 apples are red, says Ted. Want to trade with me? Asked Lee. He has yellow apples. Number 5. An apple has 5 holes, each with seeds inside, says Clyde. If you cut the apple in half so you can see the inside, it makes a star shape, and there's 5 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with seeds in there. Turn. Number 4. There are 4 seasons in a year, says Shakir. Winter branches are bare, says Claire. The tree branches don't have any leaves in the winter. Spring flowers bloom pink and white, says Dwight. When the spring comes, the apple tree has apple blossoms that grow, which are pink and white flowers. In summer, the apples grow, says Joe. Fall apples are ready to pick, says Nick. So when it's time for school to start, the apples are ready to be picked from the tree. Turn. Crunch, 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 crunch. That must be the sound of them eating their apples. Crunch. 1 lost tooth for me, shouts Lee. His wiggly tooth came out when he bit his apple. Turn. Bye. We love apples. We had fun. Thanks, Farmer Applebee. That's the end. So if we go back through the book and open up to the first page with the number 20 on it, we can see how we count down in the book. There's 20 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then we went to 19 kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 kids. 1 less than 19 is 18. 18 miles until we're there. That's what the sign says. 1 less than 18 is 17. Count 17 things we might see there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. One less than 17 is 16. 16 steps to the gate. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. One less than 16 is 15. 15 cars on the train. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We don't count the front one because that's the engine. It's not a train car. One less than 15 is 14. 14 cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One less than 14 is 13. 13 ducks. Quack, quack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. One less than 13 is 12. 12 rows of trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One less than 12 is 11. 11 beehives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 1 is, we got to keep turning. This page doesn't have a number. 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 little apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 medium apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 big apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 green apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. There were 5 parts for the seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 seasons in the year. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 apple pies. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 o'clock. Time to go. I think we missed this page when we read our story. It says 3 apple pies for us, says Russ. How many slices are there? Asked Claire. 2 times 6 plus 8, says Kate. And then 2 o'clock, time to go, says Joe. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. 1 lost tooth. And that is the end again.